everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello. My name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bretterstein. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be my next installment in my Zodiac series, and it is going to be the look inspired by the Cancer, which is the current Zodiac at the time that you're watching this little video. It's Cancer season, so happy birthday to all of my Cancers. Happy birthday, belated birthday, or almost birthday, because your birthday is in this time of the world. Time of lice. Time of lice. Time of life. So congratulations on making it another year older, and happy birthday to my friend Whitney, because she is a Cancer, identifies heavily with the crabs. So happy birthday to her and all of you who share her Zodiac sign. So if you enjoy Zodiac themed videos, makeup videos, or just me in general, make sure to give it a like if you like it and smash that subscribe button, become part of the Brat Pack. Put out new videos here every week and I would love to have you come and watch them. That's why I do them. Well, one of the reasons why I do them is so that you guys can watch them, but I would love to have you as part of my Brat Pack, so go ahead and do that. And I think it's time we just go ahead and get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that. Right. If you would like to see me do a makeup look based on the Zodiac sign of the Cancer, just keep on watching. So, the sign of the Cancer, the colors of the Cancer rather, are silvers, grays, and creams, which was surprising to me. I guess it's like ruled by the moon. The moon, you know, is gray, and silver and cream is like a light gray color. So this look is going to be gray. I haven't done a cool tone makeup look with grays in a while, so this should be interesting. And I pulled out two palettes that we can use to get a color story from, so let me show you. I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Alien palette, because it has some really pretty gray tones here that I could mess around with. Maybe a little black if I want to go in with a liner. Not sure yet. And I'm also going to be using this shade, Mouse Duh, from the Storybook Cosmetics Mean Girl palette, which I'm excited to do. Or Burn Book palette, cat hair everywhere. Which I'm excited to do, because when's the last time we pulled this guy out? It's been a while. I use it mostly as just like decoration, because I mean, it's so absolutely perfect. But I've always wanted to do a look with this shade, and now we shall for the Cancers. And it's got like a blue tone, and when I think of Cancer, I think of water, of course, crab, water. So a blue tint to a silver look could be very nice. And the grays in the Jeffree Star palette have a blue tone to them as well, so I'm very excited to do it. So I think it's time we just did that. Let's do it. Okay, so now that I have you pulled in all close, we'll go ahead and get into this look. Just a little bit closer than I'd like to be, but let's just pretend that you don't see every imperfection I have. Yeah, my hair looks crazy and so dirty, because it is crazy and so dirty. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking Tall Gray from the Jeffree Star Alien palette and putting that through my crease. So I don't know the order to which my videos are going to be uploaded, but yesterday I filmed my first video with my new camera. This video is still being filmed with my phone, but I filmed a video with my brand new camera yesterday, and it was my very first one I've ever filmed, and it's like a legit camera, and I did not realize just how ugly I am until I saw myself in that amount of clarity. Not trying to be hard on myself, it was just kind of a shocker to see myself in that light. But I don't know what order these are going to be put up in. If it's already up, I will link it for you up above here. If it's not, just stay tuned, because it's coming. It's a 4 looks 1 palette video that features my husband, and it is horrible. Just because I'm learning like how to use that camera. Ooh, this is so dark. I'm learning how to use the camera, and I don't have a monitor. Like in this, I can see what you guys are gonna see, and in that, I just had to kind of like film and hope that I was in frame and that I was not blurry and all of that. So I watched back some of the footage, and it's not gonna be great. And I thought about just scrapping it all together, but I'm not going to, because I don't know if you've ever gone way back on my channel or if you've been here since day one, but my very first video I uploaded is actual trash. Like, it's so bad. It's so bad. But I've kept it, and I still uploaded it, and had I not uploaded it, I might not even be doing this, because I would have been like, oh, okay, that's trash. I shouldn't even bother with this YouTube thing. So it's just a step in the evolution process of the channel. So even though that video's not gonna look the best, like, it's a step in the right direction of improving my channel. So I'm still going to upload it. You're still gonna see it, and you're welcome to give me all the tips and feedback that you want, because I know that it's trash, so you don't have to tell me that, but you can tell me ways that I can improve it, and tips and tricks if you know anything, and I'm still excited to upload it, because I'm freaking gonna have a good camera. I don't know how often I'm gonna be able to film with it right now. I'm getting a Wi-Fi adapter, it's a whole thing, to like be able to link my camera with my editing software, because I don't have like a good computer for it yet, so it's all a process, but we're going in the right direction. Okay, so now that I have no additional product on my brush, I'm just going to start kind of feathering this over the edges and just blending it out slightly higher. There's not really a lighter gray shade that I could put over the edges, and I don't really think it's necessary because this one does blend out to be a bit lighter. I'm going to flip it and use this side. The shade is really, really, really pretty. It's like a gray blue, and I really like it. So now that we have those two winged shapes, this one always looks better. My bone on this side is just shaped better, but for filming, this eye is always better for camera, so whatever. We're gonna go ahead, and I want to actually put that same color on the lower lash line because it is so pretty. So this brush that I want to use is covered in pink eyeshadow from yesterday's videos. Man, I filmed for so long yesterday. It was ridiculous. Okay, so I'm going to use the same color, and I'm going to run this on the lower lash line and get it nice and blue. Blue moon, doom, doom, doom. It's me standing alone, without a fear in my heart, without a love of my own. Okay. So that's what we should be looking at right now. This looks pretty cool, actually. I kind of like this. I never wear colors like this. Never do looks with this kind of color story. Sometimes it's good to get out of your comfort zone with colors. That's kind of what I like about this challenge, is that this is not a color story I would normally do, but because of this challenge, it's something I am doing. And then I get to learn if I like different colors on me that I might not have thought I would like, because I wouldn't have thought this would look good on my skin tone because I got so much yellow. But actually, it's looking pretty nice. I wonder if that's because yellow and blue are complementary? Is this a color theory thing? I don't know. Okay, so now I want to take Mouse Duh, and I want to put that all over my lid. It is just like so reflective, so silver, and I'm excited. I think I've only swatched this color. I don't think I've ever actually used it on my eye. Oh, that's pretty. That is so frickin' pretty. Oh man, I can't even deal with that. That's such a pretty color. Again, not a color I thought would look so good on me, but it kind of does. I forget how good the shadows are in this palette. This is not just a novelty palette. The shadows in it are actually really bomb too. I have a video up on my channel, I'll link up here, where I did use this like as a first impressions, and I recreated a look Jay Kissa did, and like the shadows in it are really, really stunning and work really well. And look at that. Oh my god. Such a pretty shade. Oh my goodness. Okay, and to add a little bit of depth in the outer corner, I'm going to go in with Ghost OG here, and I'm going to deepen it with that. Keep my eye open while I do this. Just kind of put it in the outermost corner. Yeah, like that. Just making it a little darker. Pretty. Okay, now I'm going to take the shade Black Hole right here, and I'm going to line that across my lash line to sort of give it a wing type effect. Like that. Okay, and I'm also going to take Black Hole and just kind of press it under the lash line at the outer corner down here too as well. Just kind of deepen that all up. Yeah, like that. Okay, and that's the finished eyeshadow portion. Let me just go ahead and throw on a lip and some mascara, and I'll come back and show you the completed look. So just give me 1 second. Okay guys, so this is the completed Cancer-inspired makeup look. What do you guys think? I am kind of into it. I didn't think that I would like these kind of tones on myself so much, but I kind of feel like a grungy 90s ass bitch, if I'm honest. If I went back in time, I would do my eyes first and then my base. So I don't know if you can tell, but I got like a little bit of gray cast down there that I would have to fix. But overall, I think this look turned out really, really nice, and I am super happy to be wearing it, and I wish that I could wear it more often, and I might do it again, to be honest with you. I was thinking of putting black in the waterline, but I decided I didn't feel like it, so I just went in with mascara, and I think it looks pretty nice, if I do say so myself. And I do say so myself. So I'm sorry if this was a quick video. I feel like I got through this look really fast, but if you did like it at any point, make sure to give it a like so I know that you like it, because that's how I know what you like. It's when you give it a like and smash that subscribe button, become part of the Brat Pack. If you would like to follow me on my other social media, I'll put it on the screen here. Bratterstein is for my makeup and Twitter, makeup, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you want to follow my fitness journey, it is Fatterstein. Lost 90 pounds, gained 20 back, trying to lose 100 total, so that's a fun journey. Never-ending journey if you'd like to follow that. And I think that's gonna finish up this video. If you would like to binge, you can click on one of these links over here. I love to binge, so if you want to binge, I'll give you that option as well. And then again, if you click on my face, it gives you a place to subscribe, in case I didn't give you enough places to do that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for taking your time out of your day to hang out with me, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.